I'm happy to finally have come here to see Dan at their workplace, because it's my first time here, so now it's my first time collaborating with Dan in China. I feel that in a sense China is being seen now as an ever more important part of the future of mathematics in the world. So it's becoming more and more unavoidable to interact here, so that I took many years to come here for the first time. Nowadays I have so much contact and I see so many good students that come here that you want to participate in this. I believe that the future is very good.